How's it going, guys? This is Najam. Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna just talk about the iFi IEMatch because I've been using this for months now. I don't remember when I got it. It was a while back, and I've actually changed my mind about this thing, and no one's ever talked about the kind of issues I've been having with it, and I'll just go ahead and talk about them in this video, I guess. So the IEMatch, basically it takes a noisy source, so whatever it is, your smartphone, the Code Mojo, something like that, and it basically just changes the volume level, and it also changes the impedance. So you've got -12 or -24 decibels, so you can change it from being really loud to quiet, and then as a result you can get rid of the hiss that you hear in the background of music and stuff. Well, not in the recording, but in the signal, the noise level. And that improves the audio quality because you basically get a black background, and so you can enjoy your music at lower volumes and a whole lot of BS like that. Now, the thing is, it does work. It does the job, and it does it actually pretty well, I think. It makes the background almost, well, pretty much black, even if it's, well, I've used it with the few FA1s, works well with that. Few FH5s works well with that. I haven't tried it with the Campfire Audio Comet because I don't think they even need it because they're like 50 ohms. I've been using this with my laptop because that has a really noisy source because it outputs a lot of power, and this helps a lot with the laptop. And I use it with these cheap earbuds or whatever I have because I don't care if they break and stuff. Now the problem with this is I actually wanted to use it with something like the FH5 and the Mojo, because the FH5 actually makes a lot of hiss with the Code Mojo, and I don't like it. So the problem with this, I find, is I guess it's all just down to the build quality, and that because this is a fully analog product, it actually makes a difference. So this thing is made out of metal, whatever, this wire is a bit annoying, but that doesn't matter. What matters is these buttons. Now this again is an analog product, okay, so these actually make a big difference. Obviously, you can change the sensitivity, and then you can change it from balanced to single-ended, and it also has a circuit built in, so if you accidentally put it on balanced but it's a single-ended headphone, it's not gonna switch that. So yeah, that's fine. But the problem with this is that these buttons, they wiggle around. Alright, so the build quality on these is really flimsy, and they kind of wiggle around, and guess what? That actually changes the sound quality, and it's really freaking annoying. It's doing my head in. If I was you, save a lot of money, get the earbuddy. That's like the little brother of this thing, and it's in between the sensitivities. You can get like the single-ended or the balanced version. Both I think exist independently. They're not like joined together like this thing. And so while this is a really good product, and I mean I like what it does to the audio, but it just is annoying because it keeps changing it. There's a lot of next level noise, and this button, even though it seems more sturdy, it actually does make a difference. I have to keep it held. If I actually touch this, it actually changes the sound quality. With my Mojo, it goes from being in the middle to the left side, and that's why in the review I actually said it tends to put everything on the left side, but that's actually not because of the iFi, it's because of this button. Everything would have been in the middle, and it would have been really good, but this thing is just, the build quality on it is just ridiculously stupid. That's what I think about the iFi IEMatch. I mean, again, it's a really good company, but I don't like what they've done to this. If you have been having any issues, let me know in the comment section below. It might just only be me, because this is a bit annoying. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.